Alright, so today is glass day. I'm going to show you guys a few procedures how we put this glass in. I got my buddy Billy here. Been knowing him for a while. He's the glass expert, so he's going to take care of me. Now this is an install of from 47 to 54 or 55 first series. This is the gasket. We're about to do the one-piece gasket, the front of it. And this is how Billy is actually taking apart this one here. Do I need to put that, unwrap it, put it in front of his heat, Billy?
What?
That gasket, hang it up a little bit, get it a little warm.
Wouldn't hurt it probably. Probably need to get it.
So first thing you want to do is actually clean the glass real good. And actually I got a tint on mine whenever I brought it.
Looks good in there.
It does. And with this rubber, I'm going to show you here, we have to use a rope with this rubber. We don't have to use no locking strips. Okay. Now I didn't show the video and stuff because I just wanted to get it in, but we already got all three sides and in the back. They turned out really good. He put them in within 15 minutes. And then we're gonna go around to the front and we're gonna go ahead and put the front glass in. And this is a one piece. So let's go ahead and finish, clean up the glass and let's put it in.
A lot of people work on these things. Just turn it over now. Just even it up this way. Go off this side first and then go across to the other one.
Oh, it's good to heat these things up, you know, and get them to stretch a little bit. Got that little rope.
Get a rope there and
Put it inside the gasket there.
then we'll put her in the truck.
How long you been doing this? How many years you
About
think?
40 some years.
Wow.
Since back in the late 70s.
That's cool.
Yeah. We're gonna let the rope go inside the truck.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna lay this right in the hole where it goes. I'll pick it up first. I'll have to lay down on it, not down over it.
Oh, okay.
That inside lip, so then we're gonna get over the inside first. Is that? Hold it right there just a second. Let me get my inside first all the way around. That's the one for the headliner. That'll help a little bit. Get that lip all the way around there, and then hook the whole thing out. Maybe it'll be warmed up a little bit more. Then the gasket feels a little warmer than it did.
Yeah.
Got right there. Let me make sure I get this locked and hooked out over the body out here. Yeah, it is at the bottom. It's good. We gotta make sure it's centered side to side. Let me see where we're at over there. I got a little bit.
It could come over a little bit, come up some.
I think it might need to go
Yeah, it's going.
maybe right along there, maybe. Let's see if that was enough. It'll work this one inside and outside. It's got to.
Oh yeah, it's like it's falling down in there.
That's what we need.
Yeah.
You hit the flat of your hand, don't hit with the palm of your hand or anything. Flat of your hand, that way you distribute the smack.
Yeah, I remember you told me that last time.
Yeah. It's over the lip. I'm gonna get the whole thing started in there before it's all gonna go. Pull this out, I guess. We can smack it up a little bit. I'll just take this out and work with it. I saw yours move in a little bit when I did that.
Yep, it's going over that lip. All right, crew, so we're finished putting in the glass. I tell you what, man, I was trying my best to film everything, but I didn't want to, like, you know, slow Billy up whenever he was putting his glass in. So I couldn't go detail by step like I normally do with my videos. But hey, he put all of his glass in within an hour. And also he put the locking strips in. And I did help. I didn't do much. I was more just here for support. But you can see the locking strip here that we put in. Let me try to see where we started over there with the locking strip, okay? And when I did put all the rubber in, I actually cut the rubber and started from the top here. Okay, and then the locking strip went inside. So the back 3 windows had the locking strips, the small windows, and the back windows are all original glass. So I have to go in here and clean them up a lot better. They're a little dirty on the inside, but once I start scrubbing them, it'll turn out a lot better. So the front window did not have a locking strip. It's all one piece glass, and it had to fit inside a groove. I try to show you guys that whenever we was doing it. So this had a little groove in here, and you see, I'll see if I can show you guys here. You see how that lip there, it has to go over that lip there, that gasket, and everything is over the gasket. The gasket is over that lip all the way across. So he put that, and we also put this one in. We did a really good job putting all this stuff in. Like I said, he did it within an hour. And the 55 guys, it turned out awesome. One piece glass here. Turned out really good. And we did the 3 in the back. See how everything is seated down in there. Glass is installed. Inside look good. Show you the lip that is underneath there. See how everything is underneath over that lip there? See? and then your headliner will go underneath this lip here. Alright. So that's going to be it for this video. Just wanted to show you a quick tip on how to put glass in your 47 to 54. There's not a lot of videos on that on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a lot of comments down below. And if you really like this video, go ahead and help me out. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to cut your post notification bell on. So this has been fun. You know, this video wasn't as long as I thought it was going to be. So like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, or truck, you know what to do. Smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.